God, my eyes are watering now. Oh my gosh. Wee. Holy shit. Oh! No way! No way! Dude, that's the closest I've gotten to target! Yeah! Oh my, what the hell? Oh my god.
Oh, I hit the slide.
Oh, said somebody catch it.
He went over. Oh,
What? Yo, how do you throw it that high?
I don't know. It's like.
How do you throw it?
I don't know. Like I can throw it really far too.
No, I just do like this, bro. See, I take both of my hands and I just go like that on the ground. I should have just go like, you know.
The guy said,
No, I don't know.
Aw.
That's
Hey,
trash.
can you guys catch it?
what was the color?
Catch this.
Oh shoot. Catch it.
I must look. Oh,
Catch it.
frick.
Dude, that was a wide open TD, bro.
Was it like,
Oh
Yeah,
no.
bro. Football.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, you guys want to see how far I can throw it?
Yeah, throw it out of the map. From here.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. That's cool.
Oh my
I'm about to try to go hit target now.
Wait, fuck. Bro, hit the. That didn't work.
I can hit secret tunnel. I've done that many times.
probably be PBBV.
Shut up.
But it couldn't have been.
I hit that one far.
No, but it couldn't have been because PBBV died.
What the?
Yeah, there's a
Yo, can y'all teach me how to throw it so high?
What so high?
Throw this
snowball.
high. You want to see it?
Frick.
Who said throw what high?
I want to learn how to throw it high.
You
The
did?
snowball.
This.
But you don't care about what you mean or you want to your turn?
Bro, what?
How rude.
What?
Nothing.
Yo, I bet you I'll hit secret tunnel.
Wait, Haley, do you want me? Do you want me to leave this? This is
My bad.
and
My bad, gang. Kind of choked.
You don't hear the whole time. Got it. He was right.
Bro said,
He gave away my spot.
bro is spermed. Oh god.
Crazy, bro.
Oh my god, it's a mini games kid? Literally a mini games kid?
You want to play mini games?
See what I mean? It's a mini games kid.
What?
Bro's just being chilling with his big old balls.
Wait, who's the one that found me? What?
Me?
Bro,
I found you.
Just in secret tunnel.
Hey, white.
Dunno. Yeah, what's up?
What? You see how high I can throw my snowball?
What up, cut? Yeah, sure. You wanna play mini games?
Yo, Red, I'm gonna get into secret tunnel. Oh,
Red, I'm gonna get into secret tunnel too.
Wait,
oh, damn.
I'm just going
I
backwards.
can't do that.
You say damn.
No, too far. Damn, dude.
Damn it.
Bro, I can hit it by like.
Wait, watch.
No, too far. Hey, Red, look up. Red, look up.
I'm trying
Oh,
to
dear.
get back. Leave me alone.
Oh, it's a mini games kid. It's the mini games kid.
Hey, shut up. Not mini games, kid. You idiot. No! That's what you get for calling me. That's what you get for calling me.
But shut up.
I think I'm gonna just stay.
You are a mini games kid. Watch, say, do you want to play mini games? I bet you sound just like him.
You won't play mini games?
See what I mean, bro? You're a mini games kid, so shut up. Yo, I'm finna go tag Red, okay? I got y'all, gang. Got y'all, gang.
I got you.
Son of a bi-
Oh well, good luck.
You know what? There's a way, I think.
I can tag him. My controllers would go back to normal and start glitching.
I gotta get the right timing, you know?
Yeah, same. Gotta get the right angles, man.
Oh, more peptide.
What are you doing?
Oh, shut up. I'm not here.
Statue. Little statue.
Break up, break up, break up, break up.
Me neither, Red.
What would you?
Wait,
Come on, Red.
Trying to get me through the Oh god, too far.
thought it was-
Yeah, they're gonna get you.
I told
That
you.
was super insane.
Oh my god.
Red, come here. I gotta tell you something. Gucci,
What do you
Gucci.
want?
Gucci goo.
Get you.
I can get y'all.
Shit. Oh. Hey, Red.
Yo, I got him. I told y'all.
I hit my fan.
Back up.
What the? Hi, mini games kid.
Hell.
Bro, what? It's okay, fam. I got it.
That's bad. I hit my fan.
Glasses, bro.
Someone else.
Glasses in the whole time.
Am I tag gray?
Where are you gonna go?
I'm going that way.
Purple.
Told you.
Oh my god.
Really bad.
There's purple. Hey, purple, come here. Let's talk.
Purple. My best friend, bro.
I'm his best friend. I'm his best friend. Purple, I thought we were best friends.
You're not. You're not his best friend.
Purple, I thought we were best friends.
Where'd I go?
Get away from
I'm just gonna stay in the slide if I make it again.
Same. I'm about to chill with you, bro.
Overshot.
Finna be being chilling together.
I have the best way to get in.
Wait, Lana.
Go through this.
Red, I'll make secret tunnel and then I'll wait on you, okay?
My way.
Unless you already made secret tunnel.
How do you make secret tunnel?
I'm not telling you.
I'm in my circle, bro.
No, I wanna.
White run. White run.
You're not attacking me. Told you.
Good job.
Oh my fucking.
You didn't tag him.
Dang.
Thank you.
Good.
Oh, no. No, please don't take me. Please don't take me. How's that? You ran.
No.
White.
What's up, mini games kid?
No, I almost made secret tunnel.
Yo, yum. Baby girl.
Someone's starting to sing almost.
Ninja?
Wait, you're Ninja?
Yes, sir. Fortnite Ninja.
Bro, second time.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
No.
Yeah, I'm Ninja. I'm Ninja.
Now he's on the block, now he's on Secret Tunnel.
No.
Yeah.
Going in it.
I gotta
I'm gonna
The
shove this up your ass.
You say,
He went in Secret
bro, what?
I'm gonna shove this up. Wait. I'm gonna shove this up your ass and then they open it.
Well, what?
Literally
I wish you would, but what?
meditating right now. Literally.
No way.
Red, you wanna go camp secret tunnel?
It's you, bro. I told you. Oh, mine. Oh.
Red, let's go camp secret tunnel together, okay? Come on.
Yeah, sure, if I can make it.
White. I helped you last round, so I'm not gonna tag you.
Thank you.
You help me? Oh my.
Not you, bro.
What'd you do?
Bro, we should talk about this. Yo, please don't tag me. Bro, we can tag me. Oh,
I made it. Barely.
let's see if I can do that boost. Please, I'm just trying to.
Don't get tagged him. Don't tag him.
Don't tag who?
Your mom.
Me.
Hi.
Oh. You're really.
Bro,
No, he didn't really last round.
you're a mini games kid. Shut up.
Take that level of disrespect.
Exactly. He shut it up. Thank God. He's a little mini games kid. He knows I'm right. Yo, Red, go into secret tunnel. Let's go camp secret tunnel together.
I'm trying to get up to the top without
Shut it up.
noticing.
Not a word.
Yes, I'm
We can talk about this.
Oh, I
Yeah,
can't
I'm
control it. I need to stop letting go.
Why'd you say O? What'd you say O for?
Nothing.
No, I didn't do anything. I didn't say L. I didn't say L, I swear.
No, I said, why'd you say O?
But somebody just punched something.
Bro, there's something in my eye.
because I let go of my
I swear someone said,
No, I was talking
I swear someone said,
There's something hitting. There's something
Ow.
in my eye, bro. There's no way.
There's something inside of me.
I'll have it. Alright guys, that's the video. Peace.
I'm sorry.